Fox versus wolf. Who will win the battle between these two species? Fox and wolves are the type of mammal that belong to the dog family. There are 2 species of wolf and 37 species of fox. Foxes and wolves are close relative to domestic dogs. Unlike dogs, they are not very popular among humans because of the cunning minds and behavior. We can compare their features in many ways, so let's begin. Geographic distribution and habit. Foxes can be found all over the world except in Antarctica, while wolves live only in the northern hemisphere. Foxes prefer alpine forest, desert, coastal areas, farm and urban areas, while wolves inhabit desert, forest, grassland and Arctic Circle. Second, size and morphology. Wolves is much larger than a fox. It can reach around 100 pounds, while fox rarely exceeds a weight of 20 pounds. Wolves has a large muscular body, broad snout and a smaller, less pointed ear compared to a fox. Unlike the wolves, the fox has a pointed snout, upright triangular ear and long hairs. It also has a long bushy tails that often ends with a white tip. Third, color of the fur. Most species of the fox are reddish brown colored with a white fur on the face and chest. Foxes often have a dark hand and dark markings on the nose and ears. Unlike them, wolves are usually grey. Pure white, brown, red and black wolves can also be found in the wild. Wolves do not have a dark marking on their nose and ears, and the claws are either the same color as the body or lighter in color. Fourth, lifestyles. Foxes are solitary creatures. They sometimes gather in a group of 2 to 3 animals. Wolves are social animals that live in groups called packs, made of 6 to 10 animals. Fifth, diet. Foxes hunt and eat small reptiles, birds, mammals and insects. They also eat fruit and berries. Unlike them, wolves are true carnivores that hunt and eat bigger prey such as goats, sheep, deer, wild boars and moose. Sixth, vocalization. Foxes communicate with each other through yelping, barking and whining calls, while wolves produce loud howls. Seventh, offspring. Female grey wolves usually gives birth to 5 to 6 babies per season. Their babies are known as pups and they can be grey, white, brown and black colored. Female fox usually give birth to 4 to 5 babies. They are also known as kids and they are covered with a red, grey, silver and a white fur at birth. Let us jump into a few questions to sharp the conclusion that who would win. How does fox hunt? Foxes are active at night. They will tend to do all the hunting at night. They also have an amazing eyesight. Their eyes have vertical split pupils, much like the one we can see the domestic cat. Where do you find foxes? Foxes live in mountain and forest areas. They are found in all the 6 continents except Antarctica. Foxes have incredible eyesight and they are vertical split pupils. How fast does fox run? These foxes can run about 72 km per hour. Actually, that are even faster than the lion. How fast a wolf can run? Wolves have a great stamina. They can run 6 miles per hour with 10 km per hour speed. Wolves are also known as grey wolves. The fur of the wolves is usually white, brown, grey, black and is banded. Do wolves roar? No, they howl. Other identification of the wolf is the howling during a full moon night. This way they communicate with other wolves and sometimes use howling to mark their territory. They have strong hind legs and sharp teeth are key features that help them while hunting. Do fox hunt in the night? This key feature of their eyes help in hunting at night. Foxes hunt at night and are also known as nocturnal animals. What is the lifespan of a fox? The lifespan of the fox can be 1 to 3 years. Individual fox can live up to 10 years. Now let's see, grey wolf versus fox. Who will win? The fight between a wolf and a fox is fascinating, if not exciting. The first point to note down is the difference in the size between these two animals. Foxes are smaller than wolves. Wolves are way bigger and more like dogs. They also have a more large muscular body than a fox. This huge gap in size which means a lot when they both come in a battle. The fox will lose the fight with a lot of bite from the wolves, so the wolf may win the battle. Hope you like this video. If you like it, then hit a like and subscribe to Animal Comparison. Meet you soon with another amazing video. Goodbye.